Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I have no idea what's in here. I know of a couple of things coming in, but the name on the front confused me. It is somebody that I know. I'm sure it'll become substantially more clear as soon as we get into the box. Thank you so much to my generous patrons for supporting me supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some of those cool stickers and some other benefits, there's of course a link down in the description. Your support would absolutely mean the world to me. Let's go ahead and get out the old F-150 truck spring scalpel here and just saw our way into it. I am very much aware that this scalpel needs sharpened, and that video is either coming or it was recently done, because all of this is pre-recorded with spots left open for other things. All right, what on earth do we have in here? Oh, that's right. That's right. I forgot that this was part of our Apex Pass Run group deal. So this is the first time. Well, you guys are in for a rare treat. I know what this knife is, and a lot of you guys know what it is. Well, and if you didn't, then you read the thumbnail. This is a Paragon Warlock, and I gotta be honest, I have no idea how this works. So I'm going to attempt to... Oh, okay. And then does it... Oh, does it come out the side? So a long time ago, I did a video. Wow, that is very aggressive. I did a video called, knives that you shouldn't hand to non-knife people, and it was directly inspired by Lugermonger. A lot of people didn't realize that I had actually, said, hey, this video is inspired by Lugermonger, because they were, anyways. And I didn't talk about this knife, and people were like, Paragon Warlock, Paragon Warlock. I see how this works. And I'm now realizing exactly why. This is like the #1 knife that you shouldn't hand to a non-knife person. Oh my gosh. So you push these two buttons here and the scales come apart. And then the blade just sort of, the blade just sort of drops out. Can you like whip it open and closed? Oh my goodness, this is an interesting knife. It's actually ground. Oh my gosh, it's sharp on both sides. This is not my style of knife, not at all. But it is interesting, and it certainly is a famous knife, and it's one that's, does this come out of both? No. I was going to say, how would that work? But anyways, it is certainly something that I think, should be talked about. So expect a review somewhat soon. This is pretty cool. So this is actually, this was provided to our Pass Run group by Kyle, who is someone I'm familiar with, somebody who has provided knives directly to my channel in the past. So thank you very much, Kyle. I appreciate that. I'm going to have a lot of fun checking this guy out and then eventually giving my thoughts. So anyways, guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it. This is the very first episode you're going to see this card, but I've decided that I don't talk about my Instagram enough. So I probably won't take, like what I'm doing right now is I'm taking a second to talk about this. I have the intro, I do the Patreon thing. I should just make cards, I mean, I know that there's like the place for the cards right up here, but people don't see those. So expect to see a little piece of paper in a lot of my reviews and unboxings right at the beginning. It'll probably just be laying there like this, and then I'll talk, and then I'll move it out of the way, right? So that we don't actually take extra time to talk about that. But yeah, I never, ever plug my Instagram, and I want people to follow me. So yeah, if you're not following me on Instagram, then go ahead and do that. But anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.